So, I've heard you are looking for a free way to create AI videos and 3D animations like these. And because of that, I'm making this video and I'm gonna show you how you can use Genmo AI, which is a new tool to create videos and 3D animations from text or even using images. So let's go ahead and begin with our video. Let's head over to Google and search Genmo AI. The first link is what I'm gonna open and it should be the same for you as well. On the website, we have some tools and settings on the left panel where we can select videos, animations, and images. And then we have option to log in. And here in the middle section, we have the option to give our prompt. And it says something like make videos using AI with Genmo Replay. So let's log in. I'm going to continue with Google. And now let's begin creating our videos. I'm going to click on this button for a random prompt. This is a nice feature which this website gives you. So let's go ahead and generate this video right away by tapping on the submit button. And it is so fast, you can clearly see. And meanwhile, our video is being processed. You can still see the preview and how the final animation will be. And here is our first video ready, which I think looks absolutely stunning as compared to the other AIs. This is unique looking and you have this option to share them or download this. But let's go ahead and try generating something of our own rather than using a random prompt. This time I'm gonna go with a Japanese theme. Once you have given a nice prompt, there we have the option for settings. If we tap that, we have the option to select aspect ratio, the duration for the length of the video. For example, we have selected 4 seconds. So our final output will be 4 seconds long. And then we have the motion option, which will determine if our video is more stable or more detailed. Meaning if we have a higher value, it will be for more detailed motion as it is written here as well. And if the value is lower, it will create a more stable motion as compared to a detailed one. And then we have batch, meaning how many of these videos we can generate at the same time. So let's go ahead and click submit to start creating our new animation. Meanwhile, our video is being generated. We can also go ahead and create a whole new prompt and then submit that as well. So we can have another one of our video processing. Meanwhile, this one finishes up. And our samurai video has finished up. As you can see, that is exactly what we needed with those sakura leaves and the samurai in those black clothes with black hair. And I think this looks amazing. I really love this artwork. And now our Disney artwork is being generated as well. And while it is being generated, we can still see the artwork in a nice quality as compared to other tools where you cannot see the results right away unless it is completely generated first. Well, now this video has finished up as well. So let's wait for it to reload. And yeah, there you go. And you can see how amazing that looks. Absolutely beautiful. You can download that. You can share that. I think this tool is really mind-blowing. Let us know down in comments what do you think so far. And yeah, let's go ahead and try some of the other options. For that, I'm going to take a screenshot of this. And after taking the screenshot, I'm going to save it in the downloads folder. Alright, now that I have saved the screenshot, I'm gonna click on this upload image button. Then I will select the image. And once it's uploaded, I can click on the submit button. It will also generate a random prompt based upon the image for you. So this is how the image to video option works in this. And you can also adjust the settings. For example, we have a new option which says preserve. It means how much of your video will resemble the image. If you want your video to be quite unique and different, then I suggest you lower the amount to around 50%, which is a nice number. And then you can click on the submit button to generate the video. So the image to video option took quite a bit to finish up, but I am completely satisfied as the quality here is absolutely crisp and delicious looking. As you can see that it is resembling our original artwork and still created something unique as the girl looks different but still has a similar style and tone of colors as well. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Let us know down in the comments what do you think about this Genmo AI tool and what do you think of these artworks. Consider leaving a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.